Click on the link below to get price. The Noseless Bike Seat Cushion is a game changer for anyone who spends extended hours cycling, whether for leisure or commuting. Designed for both men and women, this cushion focuses on comfort while addressing the common discomforts associated with traditional bicycle seats. Upon first use, the extra padding is immediately noticeable. The cushion is significantly thicker than standard bike seats, providing a plush layer that absorbs shock and reduces pressure on sensitive areas. This is particularly beneficial for those who may experience discomfort or numbness during long rides. The noseless design is a standout feature, as it alleviates the pressure on the perineum, leading to a more ergonomic riding experience. Installation is straightforward. The cushion fits easily onto most bike seats and is secured with adjustable straps, ensuring it stays in place even during vigorous rides. The materials used are durable yet lightweight, making it easy to transport if you switch bikes or need to store it away. The outer fabric is also water resistant, which is a great advantage for those who cycle in varying weather conditions. Another point worth highlighting is the breathability of the cushion. The mesh fabric allows for air circulation, reducing sweat buildup and providing a cooler ride. This is especially important on longer rides or during warmer months when overheating can be a concern. In terms of aesthetics, the Noseless Bike Seat Cushion comes in a variety of colors, allowing riders to choose one that suits their personal style. Overall, the Noseless Bike Seat Cushion is an excellent investment for anyone looking to enhance their cycling comfort. Its thoughtful design and high-quality materials provide a significant improvement over traditional bike seats, making it easier to enjoy longer rides without discomfort. Whether you're a casual rider or a serious cyclist, this cushion is sure to elevate your biking experience.